So you guys, people, my people, are you guys painting? Because hi kings and queens, it's your girl Superwoman. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. In case you're new here, my name is Carol, a Ugandan girl working and living in UAE. Today we are on a third part of me deep clean the storage, and right now we are going to do our last part and I'm going to show you guys. So I finished the first part, the second part. If you haven't watched those two videos, please go and watch them. And then right now we are going to do the last part, and that will be it. Today is Vlogmas day 23. We have 2 days to go. We have 2 days to go. Anyways, so right now we are going to start. I said I would do this in the morning. In the morning I had a lot of things to do because we have a party on 25th. We don't have time, so we are preparing everything, making sure everywhere is clean. So in the morning I had things to do. I was cleaning the house, cleaning the windows. So right now it is 5:49 and I'm going to start. I think it is not going to take me a lot of time because some of the things are already in the bags, so I need just to arrange them and clean the shelves. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. So guys, let's start.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your bag if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I, I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Baby, make your worries go.
So this is the before I started cleaning this store. This is how it looked like. In case you don't know, this is how it looked like. Everything was all over the place, the bags down, the mattresses everywhere. So I decided to put everything in a press or in one bucket or in one basket, so that when we come looking for things, we know where this is, where the other is. So this is how it looked like everywhere. It was messy, you guys. So I tried my best, you guys. I'm going to show you the after so that you can judge me in the comment section. Please judge me well. Judge me well. I'm telling you. Please judge me, okay? Judge me. Be honest in the comment section and tell me out of 10. Everyone, this is the after. You can see I prepared everything here, where there were mattresses, bed covers, bed sheets. I prepared everything, put everything together where they're supposed to be, and I tried my best, you guys. I didn't do well because they were calling me, sending me, go do this, go do this. That's why I didn't do well. But if I had my time, I was going to prepare everything very, very well. But that's what I managed to do, you guys. So please comment down below, how did I do? Be honest, please.
So put your trust in me.
Hey guys, good morning. Going to run some errands. Today is 24th and yesterday we finished cleaning the storage, you guys, as you have seen in the video, and I was like, oh, I've been boring with the cleaning the storage, so let me do a continuation of this vlog. So today is 24th of December 2025 and I'm here to tell you that tomorrow is officially Christmas. I'm so excited, I'm so happy that but tomorrow we are going to be busy, you guys. One of my daughters, yeah, she's getting engaged and I'm so happy for her. So right now I'm going to run some errands. I need to go print some things, and after that I'm going to get her dress from the laundry. I'm talking to her printing lady so that when I reach there I find it ready. After that I'm going to go get her dress also. There's another dress in another press, so I'm going to 3 different presses. Let's go, you guys. So we are done, you guys. So I'm going now. I don't know where to go first. Should I go first with the far press, and then because that laundry is near our house, like maybe like 5 minutes away, and then the printing is 17 minutes, and where I'm going to get her dress, where they are going to put on the back like bride to be, something like that, it is like 38 minutes away. So I don't know. I will first go to the far away press, and then after I come I bring the printing, and then I come, when I'm coming home I get the dress. Yes, so let's go, you guys. Let me put the location. I use Waze, you guys, for location. It's so good. It's better than Google Maps. Sometimes get lost with Google Maps. So 35 minutes.
Turn left.
Oh.
Then turn left.
You open the gate. Tighten my seat belt. And then we go.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me.
Take the next left onto Arabia Street, then turn right to stay on Arabia Street.
We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far. Yeah.
I have reached at the stationery. There. I'm going inside there.
1 HR later.
So you guys, I've reached my next destination. I have already picked the printings. I'm here at Medina Zaid Shopping Center. I'm going to pick another thing. Here you have to pay for the parking, 2 dirhams. That is like 2,000 Ugandan shillings. Yeah. We are almost done. It is now 2 o'clock and I've been moving around. Ooh, I left home 11 something. It is now 2, and right now I've picked this from the printing, this one, and then I don't know if I should show you or no. And then this, she just wanted to put she just wanted to write here on the back. So tomorrow it's her engagement, so she wanted to write here on the back this. Yeah, so I'm done. Right now I'm going to the laundry shop, guys. I didn't want to film outside because I'm in a hurry, you guys. I just wanted to let you know what's up. Okay, so right now we are going home. Not home, I'm going to pass by where they do laundry. I see if they have finished her dress, and then I get her dress, and then after that we are going straight home. Yes, I'm drinking my 7-Up. Guys, there's a way I'm missing Red Bull these days. I don't know why, but I miss Red Bull. So Today we have a lot of things to do. We need to clean the windows because yesterday we didn't finish. We are going to clean the windows. We are going to prepare outside where the visitors are going to sit. Like there's a lot, like we are going to do a lot. So tomorrow, 25th, Christmas Day, it is going to be a busy day. So that's how we spend Christmas, you guys. If you're working abroad and you're working for Muslims, that's how we spend Christmas. So let's go home. So you guys, I got the dresses. Now I'm heading home. My people, I have reached home, you guys, and it was a long journey. It's now, what is the time? Right now it's 3, you guys, 3:05, and I left here 11. I'm just returning back home. But I think I spent a lot of time at that place where they are printing. But I'm back, you guys. Thank God I'm okay. Nothing happened on the way. Right now we have a lot of things to do, you guys. I'll film tomorrow how my Christmas went, and you're going to watch that video, of course. So guys, while I was at that shop of the lady, like the one who printed the papers, she was telling me, do you go to church? I told her I don't go to church. She was like, for me, I go to church. She's a Catholic. She was like, for me, I go to church. And she had a rosary. She was telling me, I pray, I ask Mother Mary to give me peace, to protect my family. She was like, you keep praying, tell Mother Mary to protect you, to give you strength. And she was asking me, are you married? I told her I'm not married. She was saying, God is going to give you a husband. I was like, amen, amen. And she was like, you know what? In March, she had even a picture. She told me in March, I was praying. We were having prayers, me and my husband and my eldest daughter, and we were praying. And the candle, they lit a candle, and on the top of the candle appeared a picture of Mother Mary. Also, me, when I saw it, in my head, it was like real. I won't lie to you, it was like real. And she was like holding a baby. So after that, after 1 month, she got pregnant, because she told me she was asking God for a baby, another baby, and she got pregnant. Right now she's pregnant. She told me she's going to give birth in December, this December, end of December. So I was so happy for her. She's Indian, by the way. She's from India. She told me she's from Kerala, India. She was so friendly, and we were chatting as she was doing the work. We were chatting. We had a very beautiful conversation, you guys, and it was not about anyone or anything. It was about God, you guys. So we had a very, very amazing conversation. I wish I filmed for you. You know, when people don't know you are a YouTuber or you film, when you start filming, it is weird. So we had that conversation, you guys. I was so happy. And after that, she asked me for a hug. I hugged her, and then I left, you guys. It was so good, like having a conversation not from the people that I live with, from like outside people. It has been a long time, you guys. I felt so good, and I was so happy, you guys. I told her, if I get another job of printing anything, I will come back. I will come back and support your business. She told me, no, it's not my business. I'm also working. I was like, okay, it's fine. Still, if you work, you will get paid, like that. So I said I will come back. So you guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I love you so much, you guys, and thank you for your love and support. I really, really appreciate. Bye, guys.